everyone, welcome to Ecoholics. So today I'm doing another video for the solution of GATE Economics 2021 paper. So if you wish to see other solutions, we have a link in the description box. You can go to it and can watch the videos for other question solutions. So today I will be doing the question of GATE 2021 Economics. So I'm starting with question number 6. So let's just see what this question says. So it reads that XYZ Corporation Limited is a costless monopoly from suburban Mumbai producing and selling exotic mushrooms. The demand for mushrooms is given by Q equals to 700 minus 100p. So this is a demand function. So do you agree that XYZ will have a maximum possible revenue of rupees 1500? So they have given us a demand function and they are asking ki will this monopoly will ever have a maximum possible revenue of 500? So they have given us 4 options in which the choices are like this, that yes, the maximum possible total revenue is 1500, that yes, they can have it. The another is no, the maximum total revenue is less than 1500. So they cannot have it. And the C option says no, the maximum possible revenue is more than 1500. So they can have it more than 1500. And the fourth, the last option says that the maximum possible total revenue is that cannot be estimated. So let's just see how we can get to this. So what we know about monopoly is, so if there is a monopoly firm, the monopoly will operate at the point where their total revenue will maximize. So always a monopoly want to maximize their revenue. So from this demand function given to me, can I find total revenue function? Yes, I can do that because total revenue is essentially the prices into the quantity they are selling. So let's just see. So total revenue is prices into quantity they will sell. So from the question I have the quantity demand function, which is Q equals to 700 minus 100p. So I have Q equals to 700 minus 100p. So what I will do is I will substitute P from here. So 100p is going to be equal to 700 minus Q. So P is equal to 7 minus Q by 100. Correct? So now I will just plug in the values, which is 7 minus Q upon 100 into Q. So I will get 7Q minus Q square by 100. So when will the total revenue be maximized? Total revenue maximizes whenever the marginal revenue is 0. That is, the first derivative of total revenue is equal to 0, which is marginal revenue. So let's just find marginal revenue, which is equal to 7 minus 2Q upon 100. So I will get 7 minus Q upon 50. So wherever the marginal revenue will be equal to 0, I would get my profits as maximized. Wherever marginal revenue would be equal to 0, I would get my revenue maximized. So let's just put it together. So I'm putting marginal revenue equals to 0. So upon solving that, I will get Q equals to 350. Clear? So now I have a Q, that is the quantity which is going to be demanded in this market where this monopoly is working. So that's the quantity demanded in the market of monopoly. So from this Q, I can get, if I plug in this value, I can get my price and I will together put this P and Q to get a total revenue. So I will just plug in the value of Q into my total revenue function and I would get a revenue out of it. So total revenue is 7 minus Q upon 100. So I get 7 minus 350 upon 100 into, I have Q in multiplication. So I will just put it. So if I will solve this equation, I would get total revenue equals to 1225, which I can clearly see is that this is the maximum possible revenue this monopoly can earn, and I can clearly see that it's going to be less than 1500. So which option is the feasible option? So the option where they say is that the maximum possible total revenue is less than 1500. So I would go with the option number B. So B is my correct option according to that. Thank you everyone. I would be doing more questions in the next videos. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.